guys, welcome again to the second part of um the second part of the shopping application. So remember, we on the past video, or on the last video, we did the first question and the second one. So we have updated the date and also the time on our panel or on our status bar. So, and also loaded the information to, or the items into our list box. So just for a recap, what we did, we have the code. So this is the code for updating the time and the date. So here it's a loading part. So I have explained two ways of loading the information. So this is what we did last time. So today, guys, we are going to be continuing from the last video. So this is the second part of the application. So let's go to the question. So before I continue, guys, please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, guys, and share. So let's go, guys. Let's continue. Let's check the second question. This is question number 2. They are saying, on click of a button, scan the selected items. Or the button's caption, it's written, scan the selected items. Right. Then they are saying, extract size, item, and price from a current selected line on the list. LST items on the list box, right? Then transfer them to the cart separated by single space. When the item is added into the list list cart, update the quantity in the list box by subtracting from the quantity to be reflected immediately. If not has been selected, then show the message dialog as the following. So it's saying please select on the item you wanna buy. So what else do we have to do? We have to keep track of the total price of the items added to the cart. Also keep track of the total items while adding into the cart. So let's go, guys, and code. Right, so now they said that we're supposed to code on when we select on the button, scan the selected items, right? So let's double click that, then we start coding. So guys, here we are supposed to check if the user has selected an item or the user has not selected the item. So they've said that if the user, if you press the scan button and only to find that the user has not selected any line or any product from the list box, you're supposed to print out a message, right? So the first thing first, we're going to declare a variable called index, right? Therefore, we're going to assign the index of whatever the user is going to select on the list box, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to say the name of this, we copy, we paste here, then we point to item index. The user is selected, right? Therefore, we have to test if index, we have to check that we can say if index is equals to -1. Yes, if index is equals to -1, what do? We have to print out the message dialog. So we're going to say message DLG let's select this item want to buy, just like that. Then after that, close that. Therefore, it's an information, so you're going to say empty information, then tmsg dlg test recaps dlg like that, buttons, then extraction, mb okay. Then I think this is correct. Do you have any error? Nope. Right. So if this is true, we're supposed to print out this message, the message dialog. So if it's false, then we're going to say else. Else, what are we doing? We are supposed to read the information. First of all, we have to read the line the user has selected, right? So let's declare a variable answer string called product. Let's say product because the user is selecting a product, right? So what do? We're going to say product is equals to list box point to items point to strings. Therefore, we specify the index, just like that. Very simple. Very simple. Now we have the line. We have the line the user has selected. It's in the product variable. So what do we do next? We are supposed to chop the size, the price, and also what else? What's the other thing? It's size, item, then price. Okay. It has to be in this order. So it should start with size, item, then price. Okay. Right. We continue. Then what do we do? We're supposed to declare our variables. So we're going to have item, ITM. We have to have size, SZ, then price, just like that. Very simple. Then what do we do? We're supposed to subtract from this product. We need the size, we need the item. So remember, it starts with an item, then size, then the price, right? So we're going to say item. Remember now, when it's on the list box, it's been separated by tabs. Don't forget that. We're going to say product dot substring from one to position of tab, product dot pause tab, just like that. Then we exclude the tab. We close. Right. Here we are. We have product. What is this? Jesus. Product. Should be like that. Then we update. You can say product equals to product. Delete from where? From 1 to this position. Oh my god, that's happening. Okay. Then now we have okay. Then we can copy this. I know it's not working well. Okay. Then here it's the size as said. Then here it's the price. Right, very nice. So there's no need for deleting. You can remove this one just like this. So now, guys, we have chopped our line. So we have the item, we have the size, we have also the price of the line that the user has selected, right? Very simple. Then we'll continue. What is it that we have to do next? We have to add it to the cart, right? We have to add to the cart. So how to do that? We need the name. of the cart. This one, copy, we paste, point to items, point to add. We add now. So when we add, they said that it must be separated by spaces, single spaces, right? And the logic, it should start with the size, the item, and the price. So it's going to be asset plus space, then plus item plus space plus price. Okay. Then now there you have it. Now we have our our we have added our product to the list box on the cart, right? Now we have added. So what do we do? Since we have added this, we have added the products to the cart, we have to update the total items. We have to update the total items. How to do that? After adding, we're supposed to count, right? We're supposed to count. Let's count. We have to count. Let's declare variable here. Int item. Now, the item num, just like that. You can assign it to 0. Then we're going to say item is equals to going to count. The list cut point to count. Then now we have counted how many items, right? So meaning we can say item now plus lst count, right? Then after that we update the total items. So we're supposed to copy the name, copy, paste it there, point to caption, which is equals to we can say, where's the caption? I need the caption here. Here's the caption. Let's copy this, copy, then paste this, then we remove this number, close, plus because the item number it's in integer, we have to convert it into a string. So we can say int to str item number, just like that. There you have it. Very simple. So we have updated our items. Then now we're supposed to update the total amount. So we can also declare another variable, tot amount. We can also assign it to 0. Then after that, after assigning to 0, we can calculate now. We have to calculate. So since the user is adding, so the price is here. So we have the price already. So we can just say tot amount is equals to tot amount plus PRC, right? Plus price. So the price, okay, this is an amount, it's correct, okay. Then after that, we're supposed to update the total right here. So we need the name. What's the name? Let's check the name of it's called total. Come here, we do the same thing, we point to caption is equals to, we go here, we look for the caption, copy, say paste or remove this, close plus, then dot, and don't forget to convert. You see, it gives you a warning already. There's a warning already, so you're supposed to convert it into str, just like that. So now there we have it. We have our total amount and also total items, right? Every time when we add, we update these things. What do we do next? They said keep track of the total amount and total items. We have done that, we have loaded. Then what do we have to do? We have to update the quantity. We have to update the quantity, meaning that we have to subtract, it should reduce from the list box, right? So what we will do is, okay, then now, in order for us to be able to update the quantity, it's very simple, guys. Since we know the index where the user is selected, since we know the index, we are supposed to take that line because we need the quantity, right? So here we can go back, provided that we were continuing with the chopping. We can continue and add the, okay, because the quantity, it's the last one. So we can just say delete, we can delete them. Let's copy this. We can paste delete here. We can delete the, what's the next one after price? It's the barcode, meaning we're deleting the barcode. So after deleting the barcode, then we can take the, oh, after deleting the price, then we delete the barcode. Almost made a mistake there. Then after deleting the barcode, we are left with the quantity, right? So let's go and declare the quantity. So we can just say QUN. So after this, we're going to say the quantity it is equals to product. So I believe it should be correct like this. So we have this quantity, right? Then we are supposed to reduce it. Then how to reduce it? We can say QN is equals to int. Oh, okay, yes, no. We can say int, yes, I was correct. Int to str, then we convert then str to int, convert the quan, just like that. We close, then we subtract 1, then we close. Let me see, is it, yes, then we close. So now we have the integer and also the quantity. So what you'll do, okay, we will also need the barcode. I'll just say code. So I'm going to have this line, copy and paste it here. Then we're going to replace this. Oh my goodness, Control Z. Then we can replace this with code. So since we also have code, then we can just say, where's the name of the, here's the name. Then now copy, we replace, we update the quantity, right? Already we have updated the quantity here. So we can just add it to items, point to item, should be item index equals to let me see, item index, that. So I wanna check it because do I have to include there? Okay. Item index is equals to should be the first one, it's item ATM. So let's go and copy this. I want this. Let me not be lazy, guys. Item plus the tab, because it should be separated by the tabs. So just to go back, having tabs. So the second one is going to be asset size plus the tab, So the next one, which is the price, PRC, plus the tab. Then the next one, it's code, plus the tab, plus the last one, which is the quan, just like that. Okay, seems like we're having a problem. Okay, so let's do it like this. I want to see item point to rings x equals to the quan. Okay, I think this is what we're looking for. So it's supposed to do the job. So yeah. Yes. I don't know, maybe I have done everything. Let's try and see. Let's code compile and see if it's going to work or not. Then we'll go back to the question and try to make clarification there if maybe we have done it correct or not. So let's wait. So ask a question if you ask a question so that I can answer you, because the main goal is to help you to understand how to program, how to create application and program and do everything. See, so it's taking too long. Let's wait. Okay. Avast cyber capture. Okay. Then now, the moment of truth. Let's see if whatever we have coded, is it valid? Is it working or not? So we are going to load. It's loading, everything is loading. So as you can see, everything is 0, the total 0. Then we are supposed to select. When we select, we have selected OMO. We have to confirm here we have selected OMO. So when we select OMO, it's a first item. So the items, the number of items there, it's only one, and the price, it's 30 rands. It's 30 rands. Very simple, guys. It's very simple and straightforward. So it's 1 kg or more, 30 rand. So we didn't notice the quantity. Okay, let's see this one. Let's select this one. This one, it has 11 quantity, right? So it's supposed to be 10 when I scan. So you see it's 10. Okay, so the only problem, as I said, that it's we are having a problem here. We are supposed to add these two values, because you can see it only takes the one you have added, even if you can add also. See, it only takes the current one, but the items, it's fine. So what we can do, there are two options, guys, to solve this problem, right? So I'm going to show you the first one, where we are going to declare the amount as a global variable. So we can say int, then we paste. So I think like this, it can also work. No, okay. So then I will also show you the second way of updating the total. Updating the total. So let's wait for this thing to finish. Okay, so we load. So you can select any, let's select this one. So you see it's 25 francs. So it should be 35 francs when I add this one. Then it's 35 francs. You see now it's fine, because I've declared it as a global variable. So the other way of updating this, you can leave it as it was. Here you can remove this here and put it back here, just like this. Then what you're going to do, we're going to have a for loop, right? We're going to have a for loop here. Say int I must be 0, I must be less than, I must be less than LST cut count, then I plus plus. So what we normally do here, we are supposed to read the first line. As you can see, I've already declared an answer string city. So we're going to say city is equals to LST kite point to items point to, then I, right? Therefore, it will read the first line. Therefore, we only need the price, right? So we're going to delete, we're going to update the, we're going to say city is equals to city dot delete one to position city pause, because it's separated by space, remember. So you just do that. Then what else? We also delete, we'll have to delete the copy, I think it's the side, then the item. Let's share. So we delete the size, we delete the item, then we're left with the price. So we can say PR equals to CR dot substring from, because we're only left with the price and it has the R, so we can start from 2, right? What the price could be, PR for price, for price. Then after this, you are supposed to say, you're supposed to say amount, it's tot amount, né? So you're supposed to say tot amount equals to tot amount plus, we are updating it, right? Then we're supposed to convert the PR into an integer. So we're going to say str int ar. Then we have our total. So then we can get our total. Try and check if it's working. Guys, I think we will be done with the question. We will be done with the question. This is going to be the last question. We will go and check what is it that is left on that question that we didn't do, but I think we've done everything. So you check, you see the quantity, this one at 7. Then when we add, okay, we're having a problem here, we're having a problem. Let's go and see. Okay, we're having a problem. Okay, city, we have deleted the first line, then we deleted the first value. Then when we subtract, we start from 2. It includes what? I didn't see well. Let me check. Let's run again and see. I wanna see something. Okay, okay. Oh, this one because it has only one single. Okay. So here, then when I add this OMA, scan. Okay, it says 60. Why is it 60? Because it should be. Okay, it's saying 60. Why is it saying 60? Okay, let me see. Maybe we can fix that. Okay, it should say 55. Okay, it reads, it starts here. Nice then. Okay. Okay. You see here, let's include a second space just for control. I want to see something. Let's run our program. Is it supposed to work? Okay, we load then 25. Should the amount should be 25. Oh, it's reading 25. It's reading 25. Okay. Delete. Let's see. Okay. Let's see now. Okay. It times it with 2. Why is it so? Then even yeah. Oh wait. Let me see 75. If we add 10 rand, it should be 85. It reduces. What's wrong with my code? There's something wrong with my code. Something which is wrong. Let me see. Oh yes, there's something wrong. I can see now. There's something wrong. Let's comment this and try to run our program again. And see if it's going to work or not. Right, let's load. Let's select. That should be 52. Very nice. Should be, let's add 10. Should be plus 62. Very nice. Very super. Very cool. So now it's working nice and 100%. So guys, this will be the end of the today's session. So thank you very much guys for watching this video up to this far. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like. Comment. You have to comment, guys. So I've showed you two ways, so you'll see which one for you. It's simple for you. So stay tuned for the third part where we continue with the question. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.